What's going on, guys? Gaston from FK Irons here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how we utilize all this machine that you see right here at CNC, and everything you see is done right here in the United States. All right, so let's start from the beginning, guys. Come over here. Now, there is not one machine that makes it happen. Let me actually show you all the machines that we have to use. Let's start with the first one, MAAC Integris i200 ST. And everything starts with a simple, shapeless rod of aluminum. As you can see, this is a bare bar of aluminum 6061 T6. Now, let me show you what we do with this bar. So this machine would be, in most cases, step number one, and this is where we are going to be loading this bar into this bar feeder. Now, this bar feeder is going to be feeding this gigantic machine that you see right here, where we may be turning this bar into becoming either a battery pack housing, to be the body of the machine, or even a grip. The bar feeder already fed this machine. Let me show you what's happening right here. Now, as you can see, this machine is actually now creating what it is, a battery housing for one of our wireless tattoo machines. Some of the parts are actually small in relation to the type of machines that we have to utilize to create this product. Now, take a look at the size of the long machine called a screw machine. And now take a look at the size of the final result. Now, if you wonder how something like this happened, this one is one of my favorite ones. It's the Tsugami M08. Actually, this part just came out of it. Now, here we have another Mesa, the HCN 5000, and this one is our favorite prototype machine. We're working on this little part right here, and at the same time, we're working on this one. So this machine can do a lot. Now, aluminum is not the only component that we use, and as you can see right now, this part is actually made out of delrin. Part of making great products is having absolute control of precision across every single part. Now, while everything looks like it happens because of magic, in reality, there is a lot of human involvement. As you can see right now, we are in this program, which is the program that actually we use to code what those machines are going to do. Now, before we apply color, we gotta make sure that our parts are shiny. So now this is where we make it shine. From a rough part to a super sparkling shine machine, it all happens here. Come over here. One of the things that people don't know, that the finishing actually gets done with round walnut shells. Just like this, regular walnuts. Now, automation is gonna get us about 95 to 98% of the time, but for the other remaining percentage, the human component is always required. Now, and this is the assembly department, pretty much where we put all the parts together. Now, believe it or not, every single machine that lands in your hand is actually put together by human beings. One person doesn't put together necessarily one part. For efficiency, we may split the task among other employees right here. And this is how it ends. Guys, I hope you had enjoyed this tour of the making of an FK iron machine. If you have any comments, drop them down below. If you like this video, of course, like it and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. I'll see you in the next one.